Workers across New York State received a raise in their pay as the minimum wage increase, but that's not the only new law that affects employers.
With the legal perspective for businesses and employees, right now we are joined by Eric Kramer with Colligan Law. Eric, it is a pleasure to have you here this afternoon. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
So new year, new laws. Because Jeff mentioned it right at the top, let's just start with minimum wage. What do those numbers look like now?
Yeah, we've seen increases in the minimum wage. Minimum wage has increased to $16 an hour for most counties in New York, the only exception being New York City, Long Island, and Westchester, where the minimum wage has gotten even higher.
Mm-hmm. And we, of course, know that that can be a ripple effect to businesses. Are you hearing, is your firm hearing anything from businesses in terms of their impacts? And if so, what are they?
Right. Well, it's an increased cost of doing business for any business in New York State, but you know, especially small businesses who need to figure out where those extra wages are going to come from. Could see some slight price increases, things of that nature.
So there are also a number of changes when it comes to the different leave changes, as far as, you know, prenatal leave, sick leave, COVID leave, paid family leave.
Yes.
The list goes on.
It does.
Can you kind of maybe start with prenatal leave, because that's a pretty significant one?
And I think that prenatal leave is a policy that's going to affect a lot of soon-to-be parents at work. You know, you'll now be entitled to 20 hours of leave prenatal, before you have the child, to attend appointments, testing, all those things that go into the big moment when you do finally have your baby.
It's also unemployment benefits, right? So if someone out there unfortunately loses their jobs, right, they can go and still get COBRA, right? I mean, that's still available, of course, in terms of healthcare insurance, but also getting those unemployment benefits. That benefit, is it a biweekly benefit or a weekly benefit? And it went up.
It is a weekly benefit, and it has increased from just over $500 to over $800, which is kind of more keeping in line with the amount of money that people are making these days, and it'll better help you know, out of work people, to help them to survive.
Mm-hmm. Something newer that a lot of folks may not be aware of, there's something that's called the New York Trapped at Work law. Can you explain what exactly that is, what it entails?
Sure. So the New York Trapped at Work law is an attempt to prohibit these agreements that prevent employees from leaving before a date certain. And they prevent them from leaving by the employer says that we want you to pay us back for something, meaning pay us back for training, pay us back for X, Y, and Z. All the money that employers put into their employees, they want them to stay after they've taken the time to train them and provide them with, you know, the materials they need to do their job. But you know, now employees can no longer sign any sort of promissory note that they won't leave until a certain date, or else they'll have to pay money back to their employer. That is no more.
What industries are you seeing that happen? Because I mean, for us here in the TV industry, we have contracts, right, that are in place. But for other employees out there, in what kind of job situations could they find themselves in which they're introduced to something like that? Right,
and it is most jobs, because most people don't have contracts and a lot of people aren't in unions. So those folks are subject to the right to work standards, meaning they're free to leave at any time from their employment, and their employer is free to fire them at any time for any reason, as long as it's not a discriminatory reason. So, you know, and most jobs now require a certain amount of training, you know, whether it's using computer programs or, you know, anything that, you know, you would need to know before performing your job.
Eric, we're just about out of time, but I want to ask you one last question. You know, some of these changes, they're major, some are minor. It could be overwhelming for people out there. If they have questions or there's anything they want to read more about, what's the best way that they can, you know, get in touch?
Sure. They should go to colliganlaw.com and check out our new 2026 employment update. And if you read that and you still have questions, feel free to give us a call.
Great.
All right, Eric, thank you very much for breaking all this down for us.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.